we will express this system of differential equation in the matrix notation or just simply in the matrix form. So on the left hand side, we will have on the derivative. So I just write on the derivative in the matrix. So x1 prime, x2 prime, and then next on the right hand side we have coefficient of x1, x2, x3, and x4, and then we just write all the coefficient. So it followed by a 4x4 matrix. The coefficient. Now the coefficient for x1 is 5, x2 is -8, x3 is 3, and x4 is -5. So we just write out all the coefficients. The second one, 3x1, 3 for x1, no x2, no x3, and then 2 for x4. Next one we have -pi for x1, no x2, there's -2 for x3, and there's 0 for x4. 0 for x1, next square root of 2 x2, -1 x3, and 0 for x4. All of that multiplied by a matrix of x1, x2, x3, and x4. So that is in the matrix form. Later on we can even write this as the matrix. If we let this be the matrix X, either we say X, or if we use the matrix form, that will be a matrix. Actually, that is the vector. I'm sorry. This is the vector X. This is, let's say, that is a matrix 4x4, a matrix A. Keep doing that. Matrix A, and then this will be derivative of X. So we can also say just derivative of vector X equal to A, matrix A times X. But actually we can just also give the answer in this form, which is perfectly fine. So we do is just derivative on one side, on the variable on one side, and then the coefficient in the matrix. So first we have a vector of derivative x1, y1, and I'm sorry, for second problem we will have x prime, y prime, and z prime. That equal to, now coefficient of x is t, coefficient of y is 2, and z is -3. So it is a coefficient, doesn't mean it has to be a constant. As long as it is in terms of the independent variable, it is fine. There's 0y here and -a to the t for z, and 0 for x, 2 for y, and that needs a little more space for z. And then the variable, dependent variable. Right. So that is the equation in matrix form, where we have the vector of the dependent variable and the derivative. Again, we can write in this form as well.